you guys will see on your makeup that I'm very clear as to like where the gray line is. I think I even put which one's the gray line by making sure that you know this, because actually one student, I gave them 100, but they did the free response in reverse. They looked at this as if this were the gray line. That's okay. All their information was correct. So what is the slope of the line? What I'm looking for is, for the gray, the fact that you have 0, 40, and 2 and 140. So we're looking, okay, what is the change? What is the change from 140 to 40 if you've gone 2 months? And basically, what you have is $50 per month. That's your slope. You could say 50 or 50 over 1. Now, what is slope-intercept? What is the slope-intercept form? That's when you're plugging into your y equals mx plus b. And, I mean, here we have our slope, and I'm saying it starts at 40, so literally that's a hint for that being the y-intercept. So I needed to see y is equal to 50x plus 40. What is enrollment fee? Enrollment fee is what you pay at 0 months. So that was the $40. And what is the part of the slope-intercept? That's your b or y-intercept. I mean, once you've answered this question, I mean, this is basically just attaching this information to this. I mean, it's almost kind of repeating itself. What is the cost of monthly membership? Well, the cost of monthly membership we found was $50, which was our slope or our n. What is the total cost for 4 months? Well, all you're doing is going to where 4 is and saying, okay, that's 240. That was the easy one. This is the one that got a few students. You have your slope-intercept form, so your total cost, or your y, is going to be the 7 months at $50 plus the 40 for enrollment fee, and you would have gotten 350 plus 40, 390 for the 7 months. And then explain 2 or 3 sentences the difference in enrollment fee and monthly membership of the black line compared to the gray line based on slope-intercept form. So make sure to include about how many months the membership cost will be the same. So a couple things you want to look at is number 1, black line enrollment is cheaper. This is the symbol for because y-intercept is lower. You're able to tell me that, or give me information using the y-intercept here, this part of the graph, to explain why black line and gym membership is cheaper. And then you have the second thing you could talk about, monthly membership is more expensive because slope is greater, steeper. And then the last thing you want to talk about is this part here where the graph intersects itself, which means total cost is equal. So therefore, at about, that's a symbol, at about 1 month, total cost is the same. And that's how you're going to want to answer that on the makeup. Now be careful on the makeup. It's not the same graph. Actually, I kind of adjusted enrollment fees, and then I made one slope different, so you got to be aware of that. This is the overall. This is 100. And this is, this end part, which is a 2-pointer. This is the 3 things we're looking for. The enrollment based on slope, the enrollment based on y-intercept, monthly based on slope, and then where the total costs are the same, basically where the 2 lines are intersecting.